For it.
I'm John Laziers, 4 months out of major shoulder surgery.
So
I don't think I'm going too bad.
So he had a massive supraspinatus, supraspinatus, teres minor, and infraspinatus. And show me this way too. Bring your bring both elbows in, and then turn out. So on his right side, he has the same exact tear pattern. We decided to do his left side, and in 4 months, he essentially has pretty close to full motion in all planes. So how's your pain?
This one's the one that hurts.
Yeah.
This one I have pain in, but it's nothing like
Yeah.
the right one.
How's your function in that shoulder so far compared to before surgery?
It's better than it was. I mean, I have pain, but it's not pain like I had before.
Yeah.
I mean, I am well impressed.
Yeah.